If you're tired of forgetting passwords and struggling to keep your account secure, a password manager is one of the easiest ways to solve that problem, and NordPass is one of the strongest options available in 2026. In this video, I'll explain what makes NordPass worth considering and how you can grab it at a discounted price using a coupon code. I've placed the official NordPass coupon link in the description and in the pinned comment so you can check the current deal while watching. NordPass is designed to keep your login credentials, credit card details, secure notes, and other sensitive information organized and protected behind one master password. What sets it apart is how fast, clean, and user-friendly it feels, especially if you're moving between devices or need something that just works without extra setup. One of the biggest advantages is its zero-knowledge encryption. That means all your data is encrypted on your device before it ever reaches NordPass's servers. Nobody else, not even NordPass, can see your stored passwords or sensitive information. NordPass also makes it easy to generate strong, unique passwords with a single tap, and then autofill them instantly whenever you log into an app or website. This not only speeds up your workflow, but also dramatically improves security, since weak or reused passwords are one of the biggest causes of account breaches. In addition, NordPass comes with a data breach scanner. This feature checks whether your saved email addresses or passwords have appeared in known leaks, so you can update risky logins before anyone else can misuse them, because it syncs seamlessly across platforms: Windows, macOS, iPhone, Android, and browser extensions. You get a unified experience everywhere you use your accounts. That's especially handy if you use multiple devices throughout your day. So, is NordPass worth it in 2026? If you want a password manager that's simple, secure, and actually makes your digital life easier, then yes, NordPass is one of the best tools available. It combines powerful security with an intuitive interface that works for beginners and advanced users alike. And if you want to grab NordPass for the lowest possible price, the coupon link is waiting for you in the description and in the pinned comment. Just click it, and the discount is applied automatically. No code to enter, no extra steps. If this video helped you out, make sure to like it, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more tech and cybersecurity tips.